Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, I'm Madam Amy. Today we're going to have a lesson on vocabulary and our focus for today is words to replace very. You can use these words to sound better when you speak and to write better. Here goes. Here are some examples of words to replace very. Very heavy, pouring, very scared, petrified, very mean, cruel, and finally very small, itsy bitsy. Let's see how these words are used in sentences. Very heavy, pouring. The rain was very heavy for the past few days. The rain was pouring for the past few days. Very scared, petrified. I was very scared when there was a blackout when I was home alone last night. I was petrified when there was a blackout when I was home alone last night. Next, very mean, cruel. You should never be very mean to others as that behavior is unacceptable. You should never be cruel to others as that behavior is unacceptable. And finally, very small, itsy bitsy. The insect was very small and you could hardly see it. The insect was itsy bitsy and you could hardly see it. You will also see how these words are used in songs.
I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will belong. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. And it's new, the shape of your body, it's blue. The feeling I've got, and it's ooh, oh, oh. It's a cool summer, it's cool. That's what I tell him, no rules. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore. It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the locker she wanted to stay. 2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
Hopefully you can practice how to use these words on your own. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye!